Hey guys, I just want to show you the biggest reason why these GE Opal Nugget ice makers keep breaking. That is because you guys are not using clean mineral-free water. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the auger, separate the auger from the base, and you'll see all the calcium buildup. I already undid these screws and popped it up a little, and you could see calcium just falling out. I also cleared the tubes, and you could see calcium in there, and these are pretty big chunks. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the auger and just see what we're working with. So that's the base, there's all that calcium. It should not be this hard right here. This should come out easily. Look at that. And there's probably calcium inside the core also. Yeah, so if your ice machine stops making ice, most likely it's because of this calcium buildup. You might get lucky and might be able to clean it and it'll keep making ice, but most of the time either your nylon gear breaks that's inside the gearbox, or the bearings inside the gearbox break because of the all the tension that's going on and all the force applied to the gears. Regardless, most likely your gearbox would need to be replaced, or you could replace the gears, the one nylon gear, or the bearings individually. That's what I ended up doing. I had a strict nylon gear, ended up replacing it with a 3D printed gear, and then 3 out of 4 of my bearings were broken. I had to buy new bearings. So make sure you use clean water, do all the cleaning, decalcify your machine, and it should last you a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this and get this back in working order.